our online teaching. This is P6 Science. I'm Teacher Yako. We are continuing with musical instruments. Remember, we listed them as string instruments or chordophones. We listed wind instruments. They are also called aerophones, and percussion music instruments. To which group of those instruments does this one belong? This is our guitar. To which group does it belong? And then, how does it produce sound? I told you string instruments produce sound by vibration of their strings. When plucked, you just pluck at their strings and they produce sound, okay? So a guitar is a very good example of a string instrument. For today, we are looking at these aerophones or wind instruments. These wind instruments produce sound by vibration of air blown inside them, such as a whistle. You may look at a whistle and you think inside it is empty, or a trumpet, but inside there is air. So to produce sound of it, you just blow that air inside it and you produce sound, okay? Examples of those wind instruments: we have the whistle, we have the trumpet, we have panpipes, we have the flute, and the records. Illustration of those wind instruments: we have this flute. If you have one at home, please try to play it. I told you you can play almost all of them. Then you have panpipes. They are here. They also produce sound by vibration of air blown inside them. You just blow that air and it vibrates. Then they produce sound. Okay? Another example is of a trumpet. It is here. You know a trumpet. There are very many models of trumpets. So you can buy any and you play it. Note, the pitch of the sound can be increased by reducing the size of the instrument. For example, when you look at these panpipes, of this one, let me label it A. And then this one, let me label it maybe F. This A, of A and F, which one do you think produces the highest pitched sound? It is F. Why? It is smaller than F. So air inside it vibrates faster when blown than air inside A. So I'm saying the pitch of sound in wind instruments can be increased by reducing the size of the musical instrument. A smaller whistle will produce the highest pitch sound. Then the big whistle will produce the lowest pitched sound. Just like you can see these panpipes. This one produces low pitched sound, followed by this one, and this one. Why does this one produce sound of a higher pitch, of the highest pitch than the rest? It is because this one is small, so air inside it vibrates faster than the rest. Okay? Now let us come to another group of musical instruments. Those are percussion musical instruments. These percussion musical instruments, for them, they produce sound when beaten. For them, you don't pluck at their strings, you don't blow air inside them, but you just beat them. They produce sound when beaten or hit. Okay? Examples of those percussion musical instruments: we have this one. Everybody knows this is a drum. It produces sound when this is a drum. It produces sound when beaten or hit. Now this one, you can guess what it is. I think it is a piano. This one is a piano. It produces sound. You may think you are just tapping, but there is a connection of hammers inside which keep knocking to produce the sound in this piano. So a piano also belongs to percussion musical instruments. I have a list of them. They are here. We have a drum, we have the xylophone, we have the thumb piano, we have shakers, we have the cymbals, rattles, and piano. Some of those diagrams are here. Okay? This is the drum that I've been playing. It is a percussion musical instrument. It produces sound by beating it or hitting it. This is the xylophone. You just beat it. And the thumb piano, you just keep doing what? Clapping these things. Then these are shakers. Inside there, it is metallic. It can be metallic or plastic, but they put some small stones or some ball bearings inside, so that you keep shaking it like this. So that is some kind of beating. Okay. Note: the pitch of sound in percussion musical instruments can be increased by reducing the size of the area where it is beaten. When you reduce the size of the area where it is beaten, for example, you don't expect a big drum like this one to produce the same sound like the smaller drum like this one. This one has a bigger area where it is beaten, so its pitch of sound will be low. This one, which has a smaller area where it is beaten, its pitch of sound, its pitch will be high. So I'm saying for these percussion musical instruments, you can increase the pitch of sound by reducing the area where it is beaten. Look at this xylophone. This one, that one, up to the smallest one. The smallest piece produces the highest pitched sound than this big one. If you try to play them, this one will sound bang bang bang, bang, and then this one will bang bang, bang, will have the highest pitch. So I'm saying, if you want to increase the pitch of sound produced by these percussion musical instruments, you make the area where it is beaten smaller. If you want the pitch of sound to be high, but if you want the pitch of sound to be low, then you increase the size. Then it will sound low. Okay? I have an activity for you. There are only 4 numbers. I always tell you, you must write these numbers in your books and answer correctly, because I'm going to mark that work. Okay? There are only 4 numbers, so make sure you answer them correctly. Thank you. Bye.